Here we are on the download page for the Vydeo Presenters, and this has information about the downloads. It has links and lots of stuff. So let's start at the top here and let's go over the basics. All right, there are a number of different file types included with each one of these characters. There are GIFs, and those are animated images that you can use in your PowerPoint. You can use them on Google Plus in your posts there, and those are just animated characters. There are MOV files, and those are like tiny movies, and you can use those movies in your Camtasia. There are PNG files. Those are strictly images. Those are transparent, non-animated images you can use on your blog. You can use them in your videos. You can use them in all of your video creation software. Now, in Tracy's upsell, she has PSD files also, and those are Photoshop files you can use if you want to customize a character, if you want to change the color of the hair, if you want to change the types of glasses they're wearing or the clothes they're wearing, and different elements on those. You get the PSD file. Those will work in Photoshop. Those will also work in a free open source platform called GIMP. And then we've got a little notice here about 7Z or zip. All of these files are downloadable as zip files. They're all big files. And what a zip file is a file that compresses those files into a smaller file to make it easier for you to download. You need a special software on your computer so that you can unzip them. And I use 7-zip as my extraction tool and my unzipper. And it's very simple, because all you have to do, it's a free file, is go to this link and download it to your computer and just do that. There's a Mac version as well. Once you install it, I'll show you how this works. Let's go to our characters here and let me show you what you've got. So each of these characters, again, comes with a bunch of files. And all of these files, you can see that I have the GIF, the MOV, the PNG, the SWF, and the PSD because I get the upsells. I always get everything that Tracy has because it's phenomenal. It gives you a lot of flexibility. It gives you can be a whole lot more creative, and I just like it. What you want to do if you want to save the file is just go over here. And again, I'm on a PC, so it may be a little different on the Mac. You're going to go to the file you want to download. You're going to right-click, if you're on a PC, and save link as. All right, so you can see I am in my I'm going to my gals folder here. I am downloading a zip file for Diane. So I'm going to go to my Diane folder, and then I will save that here. So I've already got it saved. I don't have to do that. But that's the way you save it. So the best thing to do is just to go one at a time, right-click, save, right-click, save, right-click, save, right-click, save, and then save all of those folders to or all of those products. All right, when it's time to open these folders, you need to extract. So you can see in my Diane folder right now, I have several folders. I have all of these folders with the little Z. These are the zip folders. And then I have these other folders that don't have the little Z. These are folders I have already extracted. So I've extracted the MOVs and I've extracted the SWFs because I'm using them. I'll show you how to extract a folder right here. So I'm going to go to this folder. I'm going to right click. All right, I'm going to go down to this 7-zip on my drop-down menu here, and I'm going to say extract files. And I'm going to say save it. And voila, there we are. So there's now the GIFs folder, and I have all of these GIF files. You can see that right here. These are all right here. And if I want to click on this, if you see, these are kind of neat. These GIF files are kind of neat because you can use those in PowerPoint, and you can create animated images in PowerPoint. You see that? So here she is standing on the left, and her mouth is moving, and this is a GIF file that you can use in a PowerPoint, or you can use it on a blog post. These are kind of neat in blog posts too. And these are all the GIFs in her casual dress, in her cocktail dresses. Okay, here she is in a cocktail dress, and formal, smart, casual, and suit. So we've got this, and in all of those poses, and in all of those dresses, and in all of these different file types. So I've got the GIFs, I've got the moves, I've got the SWF. I can do the same thing here right now with my PNGs. I'll extract the files. All right, and I will extract these. All right, so now I have all of those files extracted, and I can work with them in any medium I like. and I will just go through those one at a time with each of these characters.